Hi, my name is Mike Ferguson from Intelligent Business Strategies. I just want to say I'm really excited about being able to speak at Data Decoded in Manchester on the 21st and 22nd of October, actually also on the 20th for the pre-conference workshops. Um, Super excited to see a show like this in the Northwest, which is the region I live myself, because it's such a hive of activity anyway in the Northwest around data and AI. So fantastic innovation, some great case studies, no doubt, that will be at the conference. I just want to tell you about three sessions that I'm doing. The first is on the 20th of October, which are two half-day workshops. The first of those is on building a data and AI strategy for competitive advantage. So we'll be looking at, what a data and AI strategy is and what it should have within it. I'll be looking at how you align that with your business strategy and also taking two approaches to data strategy. One is a defensive data strategy initiative, which is really to help you reduce risk and to allow you to comply with the legislation and regulations that you have to within your industry and also within the UK and beyond. In addition, on the offensive side, obviously, to help you reduce your costs and grow your revenue using data and AI to hopefully give you better profit margins and therefore gain competitive advantage in the industry and help you scale. So we'll be looking at also, kind of understanding and assessing your current setup in that workshop, as well as kind of defining a future state and then a roadmap of how you get from where you are now to where you want to be. So quite a lot to talk about, including the technologies, architectures, everything you need to do to put together a data and AI strategy for an agentic enterprise. Second workshop on the 20th is incrementally creating high value data foundation using data products. And so data products, of course, popularized back in 2019 around data mesh. Um, but now, really, that's pretty well underway in a number of organizations, but still a lot of organizations really trying to move forward with that. So I'm going to be taking you through a complete methodology to be able to build data products, look at what data products are, the whole methods to build these things, how you should organize for democratized data engineering and still stay in control of it. Uh, and also the steps involved in creating data products from the point where you define them and design them, using technologies like data catalog and business glossary for that. Then, in addition, then also using data catalog to source the data for your data products and to automatically data quality profile them and even classify them to identify sensitive data and map that data to your data products. And then looking at how you can use modern generative AI co-pilots together with data engineering now to generate pipelines to be able to build those data products and publish them in a data marketplace for sharing and consumption around your enterprise to drive value. So hopefully the idea behind that is it should accelerate your ability to drive value um, as you go forward, building more and more of these. In addition, I'd also just like to mention the keynote at 11 o'clock on the 21st of October at Data Decoded, where I'm going to be talking about building the artificial intelligent business and really looking at the demand for that, the challenges in the way of progress and the kind of requirements to be able to build an artificially intelligent business. Then also looking at the kind of technology stack that you would need to do that, modern data architecture, data and AI governance to be able to handle that, not just um, talking about AI large language models, but how do you govern agents and all of that. We're going to be looking at how do you, again, uh, democratize development of all of this and still harness it to drive value. Um, Bringing together the building of data products, classic BI, machine learning models, AI agents, and integrating that into your applications and processes around the enterprise to really help people become more productive and to be able to drive new value and transform your business. We're also going to be looking at the uh, big thing this year, which is really the bringing together of structured and unstructured data. Now that natural language is the new user interface, We're going to be looking at that and how the emergence of an enterprise ontology, or what some people are calling semantic layers, really becoming super important in the world of AI over the next couple of years. So hopefully you can join me for that keynote as well. Really looking forward to being a Data Decoded. Hope you can join me then. Thanks.